Big trust na nakuha ni Sara Duterte, which is a vote of big trust and very big trust, is 61%. Sa tinanong nila, I think this is 1,500 respondents, no? Ayan, 61% ng tinanong nila may malaking tiwala kay Inday. Take a look at this. Meron pang 23 na undecided. So, ibig sabihin, itong mga to, they cannot say for sure whether or not magtitiwala sila kay Inday o hindi. 23, maaaring magbago yan. It is very likely that is going to move towards Inday's big trust sooner or later. It's very likely. Hindi man ma-convert yung 23 na yan na undecided, pero I'm telling you, mas malaki ang chance. Mas malaki ang chance na mapunta yan kay Inday. Why? Dahil lagi nagme-mess up si BBM. Lagi nagme-mess up si BBM. Ayan. So kay BBM, sa lahat ng tinanong, 25% lang ang nagsasabi na aware sila, na may big trust sila kay BBM. And 54% says that they have a small or no trust to BBM. So ang net satisfaction rating dito ni BBM, 28%. Negative 28%. Ayan. Negative 28%. Meron siyang 21% na undecided. But we have Ate Claire, Auntie Claire. So itong si Auntie Claire, yan 21% na yan na undecided, that could tilt towards a big trust or small no trust. I think it's going to tilt more dun sa small or no trust dahil kay Auntie Claire. Sa totoo lang. Kaya please keep Auntie Claire kasi si Auntie Claire po ang susi para ang undecided ay mag-decide sa small o no trust.